What's happening, people? This is Prajit here with yet another vlog, and right now I'm at Harley Davidson showroom, the Seven Island showroom in Mumbai, and I'm with the core committee member, Mr. Jason D'Souza, and the vlog hero, as you guys know, right? So today this ride is a chapter ride too.
Yeah, we're going to Tata Lake House at Timbri Chinchwad area. And it's a fantastic ride. It's around 2 hours of a ride.
Okay.
It's beautiful, and this is a very unique ride because not everyone gets an entry into a Tata property. And secondly, we're going to watch the migratory birds coming into the property, and there'll be a lot of bird watchers, a lot of photography happening around.
Wow.
And it's a beautiful property with a lot of man-made lakes around, and that's one of the unique things in the entire Asia area, or probably in the world maybe.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's a super property, massive property. You will have a ton of fun. We have, I think, close to 80 to 100 riders are coming in today.
Wow.
Some will dry down also. Most of us are riding down, and it will be an amazing trip and an experience. I'm sure that you'll get a lot of footage and a lot of good content, and hopefully you catch the migratory birds also when they are in progress.
I will try my level best. All right. So the time right now is 6:30, and we will be leaving another 5 minutes, Jason. 5-10 minutes?
6:30? Yeah, maybe another 10-15 minutes. Yeah, I'll wait for more people to come.
Perfect. Yeah. So 2.5 hours journey, and I'll hit the road and then click the camera button again. See you. It's 7 o'clock right now. We've left. This is Palm Beach Road. We are on Palm Beach Road right now. As you can see, I have all the riders with me. There are approximately 70 to 80 riders here right now. We all are heading to Tata House, which is in Pimpri, Pune, and it's gonna be a lovely ride. As Jason rightly said, there are gonna be a lot of bird watchers and stuff, photographers, and I'm a vlogger who's gonna be in between them. But yeah, that's how it's gonna be. That's Mr. Jason D'Souza. Look at that, so many riders. Look at that, people are like taking videos and stuff in between the road. That's what Harley Davidson does for you. It's an attention seeker, it's a head turner.
In the darkest of days, sometimes we find out who we are. Be the change or hit the bottom, hit it hard. We have a choice, yeah, we can take the power away and turn it into something to believe in. Believe it, it's up to you. It's up to you. Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire, sending these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life. Tired of feeling like an outsider, made to believe I was an outlier. I'm not the only one who's inspired. We're gonna turn these dreams into an empire, empire. The pain into an empire, empire. The rage into an empire, empire. We're gonna build it up, empire.
There's an accident which happened right now. ये इसका नीलेश का बाइक का सबसे बेस्ट है, स्ट्रीट रॉड चलाता है और उसका आवाज मोटो म्यू का एग्जॉस्ट चेंज करके पूरे दुनिया को सुनाता है। देखो दूर दूर तक हार्ले डेविडसन ही है, सारे मजेदार चीज। That's Sunita Monday for you, ladies of Harley. ये रास्ता मुझे ना अभी बाय हार्ट हो चुका है, इतना ज़्यादा चला हुआ ना मैं इस रास्ते पे। Mumbai Pune. Crazy. And that to the old one. बहुत बार चला लिया अब तो यार. देखो यार लाइन में Harley Davidsons. What's up? YouTuber, he's Tanay Singh. He's a YouTuber. Do subscribe to his channel. It's Tanay Singh Vlogs. It's 7:50 right now, and we have reached Khopoli. And right after this, the Lonavala Ghat start. The good part is the roads are better right now. Before Khopoli, the roads used to be really bad. They've made new roads now. While I was coming back from my South Indian trip, I saw them making it. At that time, they were actually putting the tar and stuff. So it's a good thing. But whatever they've made, I don't think they've made it good. मतलब बहुत खराब रास्ते बनाए हैं अभी भी. बनाने के बाद भी खराब लग रहे हैं मुझे. बना रहे हो थोड़ा टाइम, इतना टाइम डाल रहे हो, इन्वेस्ट करो, अच्छे से बना दो यार. ये देखो मिस्टर साहिल कथूरिया. क्या हो गया इसको? He's Akash. He's one great rider, I must say. बहुत सही राइडर है.
Voices rising like a church choir, light it up like a wildfire, setting these dreams higher and higher and higher till they come to life. Tired of feeling like an outsider, made to believe I was an outlier. I'm not the only one who's inspired. We're gonna turn these dreams into an empire, empire. The pain into an empire, empire. The rage into an empire, empire. We're gonna build it up, empire. Won't see us walking away, 'cause now we made it this far. We ain't ashamed of who we are. We made a choice, this army's here to stay.
So right now at the lake house, and we have parked our bikes here.
We finally reached.
Yes. So we're all here.
And all safe.
Yes. There were a couple of accidents which took place in between, but everybody's safe. And I see some birds there. Far there. Like so many birds. This is more like a bird sanctuary, man. Very nice. Anyway. Yeah. What's up, bro? Milind?
I'm good.
How's the ride?
It was nice actually. It was
Yeah,
good,
no?
right? Yeah.
Right, so we'll get inside right now, and I'll show you the place inside as well. There's breakfast and stuff. So entering the lake house. This is part of Tata Motors, by the way, and there's this lake on the other side. Hey, how are you? Good. You were riding? Riding, right?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay. Cool. Chalo, I'll see you inside. Ah, there's this kitchen. जाना किधर है? Oh. Okay, so we have to go inside. Cool.
What's happening?
All good, man.
So, how was your ride?
Oh, awesome, man.
Awesome.
Very good, very good, very good. Far but fun.
Not very chilly.
Not, yeah, man. It should have been much more chilly.
You said far. Is it far?
Not that far. मतलब मैंने 4000 किलोमीटर सोलो किया तो ये क्या है?
Exactly. Exactly. Never too far.
वो देखो हमारा ऑफिशियल कैमरामैन है हॉक का. बॉबी
क्या बोल रहा है डार्लिंग?
मस्त मस्त बॉबी डार्लिंग मैंने यू आर द वन.
तो मारेंगे
थोड़ी देर पहले तुम लोगों ने देखा था एक आदमी हाथ छोड़ के नाच रहा है बाइक पे खड़े खड़े. यही है वो यही है. अरे यार मैं व्लॉग में डालने वाला था तुम लोग को ये वाला पोज. अरे वो
मैं रेडी
ये देखो लव बर्ड्स. यहाँ पे लोग ये बर्ड्स नहीं ये लव बर्ड्स देखने आए लग रहे. देखो यार क्या जगह है. मज़ा आएगा. वाह. अब टाइम है एक टाइम लैप्स करनी. एक टाइम लैप्स तो बनता है यहाँ पे. चलो करते हैं. So we're walking right now and through the trails over here, and it seems that there's a dam ahead and we're going there right now.
we're going there.
Yeah.
It's a photography point as well over there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh,
You get,
nice.
There's all ledges which is connecting to the river, so you can go inside the ledge area and click, close shots of the birds when they're on the lakes and all that.
Okay, cool. The plan to come to this place is like really good.
Yeah, we have quite a lot of people come today. At least more than 80 people have turned up.
Yeah.
There are around 7-8 lakes or something like that.
Inside?
Yeah, similar ones.
Wow.
So they're all spread across the whole property and all that.
Okay. Now we are on a Kacha road right now and the trail still continues. I think this heads to the dam. Very nice. Very peaceful actually. And it's all green. It's all, we have been walking between the woods. Very nice. So right now we are at a place in between the lake, and Bobby is like the photographer clicking everybody's photographs
No,
over
he's not
here.
the photographer.
He's not, no?
I'm the
He's
guide.
one.
Abhishek is the photographer.
You are the guide, no? You can only be the guide. You cannot be the photographer.
You have to go just a little deep into this water.
Come, let's go. Show us how to go there, no?
Look at those birds there. Wow. Can you see? Very beautiful. But yeah, you guys should look at this place, man. Have a 360-degree view. I'm right now at the dam. Before this I was at that location there, and the Lake House Cafe is right opposite, if you can see. But yeah, it's a very beautiful place. Loving it. Finally, I saw a signboard of Tata Motors. This whole property belongs to Tata Motors, and this is called the Lake House. So it's time that I make a move from here, and that was Lake House for you, Tata Motors, and it's actually a very beautiful place, as you guys just saw, right? So we're heading back. The time right now is 11:20. It's super late, and because we have to reach back to Mumbai as well. So that's it for today. Thank you so much. Hope you guys loved it. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Mining Miles. Love you guys.